lost it.
Is Santa Claus gonna see you too?
Oh my God. Look. Oh wow. I never see a dog happy.
He knows. He knows what the day
He
is.
said, Disney World.
Yay! What you all got? Does that feel good? Does that feel good?
Thank you.
Does that feel good? Oh, that feels so good. Oh, I'm gonna sleep so good now.
Green Santa Claus.
I'm gonna sleep so good now, Guillermo.
Them three right there together. Yeah, that's them.
Guillermo gonna sleep so
so
good.
sweet.
These are mommies.
Yep.
He's a good boy. Mama, he's a good boy.
Mama, you got
One present that probably broke.
you got a couple more.
Holy cow! I thought I opened mine already.
Two.
What's
You got a
this?
couple more from me, mommy.
Yeah, you got a couple more from the CCP,
Dang.
Daddy,
Mom. Wait.
catch.
Is that what you got me?
Mom, open your present.
I like watching Gizmo play with this. Gizmo's
Dad,
loving that.
Yours.
You left the price tag on it.
That's what I needed. Right there, see that?
Well, don't look at it.
Open last, it says.
Open that.
Okay, look. Yes! Woo!
Aerosmith.
Got some traveling tunes.
I do too.
Wow, see
I hooked up the MP3.
Yes.
And I took some of my songs and put it on there from CDs.
Silly catch.
What'd you get, Daddy?
Just put it on the couch.
Golf bag order now.
I'll get it later.
Oh, yeah, that's right. She was very excited about
Yeah,
that one.
I like that. Metal
Open
tee.
yours, Didi.
Wow.
I got film. Hold on.
Is this their new one? Oh, I haven't heard anything off of it.
I ain't neither.
Oh my goodness.
Man, Gizmo sure loves his.
Santa
That's
Claus.
pretty cool. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Look at the Santa Claus.
Look right here.
Santa Claus. Look at the Santa Claus.
Gizmo, Gizmo, Gizmo.
Two presents are in
Look,
one.
Didi, we each got one.
Woo!
Trying to tell me my hygiene is bad? He likes
Yes.
his bad. Look,
Yep.
I have got nothing else for you. You got a stocking up there, though. Maybe Santa brought you something.
Okay, there's two presents in here, Mom.
Holy cow, sissy.
Man, Mom, you turned out good this year.
Hey, look.
I know it.
He knows he's got something else somewhere. Look at him. He ain't stupid. Just a minute. Just a minute. Your stocking's over there.
There's two in here.
Sissy, you want to get a stocking for him? You got me a jewelry box. What? Yes, it's not for you. Look at him. Emma got your... There it is. There's your stocking. He wants Mama to do it, I think. Look at him. He's looking. He knows.
And I got it too.
Mine.
That was good.
Look at Giz. He is going nuts. Look. Oh, he found what he wanted. He kept going over there like he knows there's more
I
for
also
him
got
here.
a little bone.
Oh, let's take the plastic off of that one.
Oh,
Yeah, you can still chew in it right away.
He's already found his toys. Look, wait. Gizmo. Giz.
Ooh, what's that?
Ooh, I like it. I like it a lot. Look at him.
He's like,
What's Santa
Yes,
Claus bring
this
you,
is
Gizmo?
beautiful.
Santa Claus brought you something? Wow.
Look at him with all his toys laid out everywhere.
You got all kinds of toys,
a
don't
little
you?
rat. Gizmo. Gizmo.
Look at him.
Gizmo. Yes. Gizmo.
He's the sweetest little dog.
oh, here you go, Granny.
Gizmo. He won't look at me. He got his toy.
Come on.
Come on.
Gizmo.
This is pretty.
Gizmo, you
Sissy.
got it.
Very,
I'm upset
very
I don't
pretty.
get to babysit him.
Oh, you can still come over and see him.
No,
Aw,
I can't.
Now you guys want
Why?
Mom and Daddy's here.
Right.
Oh, you got that thing running.
There you go.
Dee, turn it off, bud.
Yeah. That one they can't see. You'll have to delete that.
They won't see him anyways.
Yeah, they might. I'm sick. Leave me alone.
Yeah, zoom in.
I'm sick. I'm sick in the head.
No, I'm
Oh,
sick.
Sissy, that's beautiful. Thank you, honey. Got it with your own money. That is terrific.
Okay, now open this one.
Open that one.
I wrapped it myself. This is good wrapping.
Still got 3 hours and 8 minutes on here.
That's good.
It's
Yeah,
a
I
magnet.
didn't record the first half of Christmas.
It's a magnet picture frame.
Hey, you got the best half, so.
No, I didn't.
You know I love that. It's
What?
a magnet picture frame.
Oh, cool.
So neat.
Cool.
Very
yeah.
good job.
Mike, come